it for cooking or nothing.
Mama, it's expired.
That don't matter.
Mom. Huh? This expired in 2022. Well, I just used it.
131.25.
Yeah, but I haven't even opened it.
Can't go around with chocolate. I didn't even know it fucking went bad. 2006, I was in fucking middle school.
Oh, hell no. These are pears from 1999.
Okay.
Mom, that has mold on it. So we should throw that one away.
1989.
Expiration date, March 26, 2013.
Mom! Grandma, just throw away. Can I just see the expiration date?
It's fine. Make a fucking grilled cheese with it. Stop it.
Nah. 2022 in the freezer.